In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timestamps on Discord. If you've ever tried to coordinate events across different time zones, you know how confusing it can get. Using a timestamp ensures everyone sees the exact same moment in their own local time, without any extra math or back and forth. Start by opening your browser and searching for Discord Timestamp Generator. You'll find simple tools that don't require an account. These pages exist to create a small piece of text that Discord understands and turns into a dynamic time. Keep the tab open so you can quickly copy and paste later. Next, enter the details of the timestamp and the format. Choose the exact date and time for your event or announcement. If the tool asks for a time zone, pick the one you're currently using or the one the event is based on. The generator converts that into a format Discord recognizes, so others will automatically see it in their own time zone. Then, pick a display format that fits your message. You might prefer a short time for quick reminders, a long date for formal posts, or a relative format like in 2 hours, if you want it to feel more natural. Most generators show a live preview, so take a moment to confirm it looks right. Double-check AM versus PM, or switch to 24-hour time if that's easier for you. This is the best place to catch mistakes before you share anything. When you're happy with it, click Copy to Clipboard. That button grabs the special timestamp text for you. Don't worry about what it looks like under the hood. You don't need to memorize anything. You're just copying a snippet that Discord will convert automatically when you send it. Now, head to Discord, open the server and text channel where you want to post, and paste the timestamp into the message box. You can add context around it, like "Our meeting starts at" before the timestamp, or place it on its own line for clarity. Press Enter to send. Instantly, Discord will display it as a clean, clickable time or date, and everyone viewing your message will see it adjusted to their local time zone. This works on desktop and mobile the same way. That's all. With this quick approach, your schedules, announcements, and event reminders are clearer, and no one has to guess what time you meant. If you spot a mistake later, just edit the message and replace the timestamp with a corrected one.